Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Oh God, 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 oh God. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading goals. Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs.
Yo, what's up, everybody? How's it going? Let me get some music rolling. Forgot to start the music. What up, Miss K? What up, Greg? Trader 007. There's Toki. What up, Toki? What's going on, everybody? Let me get this music going. All right, all right, all right. Let me see. Let me put the magic spectacles on. The magic spectacles. All right, let's take a look here. So if we look on the daily time frame, here, we came up, tapped into a daily fair value gap, and now we're rejecting from that gap. So came up, you see this morning we came up, we tapped into this gap right here. We came up, tapped into this gap, and now we're coming down, rejecting from that gap. So I'm interested to see if we're going to flip and turn. It's pretty loud. Let me turn it down. Give me just a second. Is the internet still messed up today? You good today? Alrighty. I'll turn the music down just a hair. Alright, that should be better. That should be a little bit better right there. But yeah. And the internet should be good today also. Yo, what up, Sandy? Good morning. Yeah, I've got 100. It should be plenty. Should be plenty. All right, let's see here. I'll drop down to the 4-hour time frame. Same kind of thing here. We got a 4-hour fair value gap. We're rejecting from it. Hop down to the 1 hour. Now this is where things kind of get interesting on the 1 hour time frame. We had this inversion, came up, took out these highs right here, and now we tapped into these gaps up here and we're starting to come back down. And yeah, so I wonder if we're gonna come down here and take out this Asian low or just come after this wick right here. Kind of see what happens here. Let me mark out this low right here. Then we've also got a 1 hour fair value gap right here. So those are good to mark out. There, and then the Asian low down here. Asian low. Right here we got a 1 hour low. Let's see. And up here we got a 1 hour high. Or 4 hour. It's also a 4 hour high. I'll mark this out and say 4 hour high. 4 hour high. And then this Asian low's a 4 hour low down there. Yo, what up, Grandmaster Templar? You're gonna YOLO your whole life savings and invest with 1,000 times leverage in Millennia coin. Wish you luck. Good luck. Good luck. All right, guys. Looks like we're coming down here. Coming after this 1 hour low right now. Possibly the Asian low. Extend it to the right there. All right, all right. Yo, Nature Tech, thanks for the sub. I think we're coming after these hourly lows down here. I'm gonna be honest. We'll see. If we need a bounce like immediately. If we're not. But I think we're going after those hourly lows at the moment. Got a nice inversion fair value gap that happened right here. Yo, what up?
Hey man,
man,
where's your energy? Let's go, we up, baby.
Heck yeah. Dude, let's go. What's up? I guess Skooky. Let's go. Thanks for the $2. We got to bring the energy. He said we got to bring the energy. Let's do it, man. Yo, thanks for the sub, Eshwar. What do you guys think? You think it's going higher or lower? Thanks for the $2. Let's go. Yo, what up, Yash? What's going on? What's going on? Dude, I think this thing's about to drop right down to these hourly lows. I believe so. Let's see, though. We got a 1 minute. We got a 1 minute inversion right here. Let's see what happens. See what happens. We'll get into something here, buddy. We'll get into something. I ain't scared. Evan said, stupid question. Is the DD Plus indicator included with the premium membership? No, it's not my indicator. If it was my indicator, maybe, but it's not mine. I just use it. I just use it. Everybody have a good weekend, dude. I had a really good weekend. It was nice. Nice and relaxing, dude. I played some of the new Call of Duty Black Ops. Yo, what up, Darsh? What's going on? If this inverts right here, should I take a long? If this inverts, should I take a long right here, dude? Let's see. Delivering. Kind of delivering from some gaps over here, but it's not gonna do it. It wants those lows. Yo, what up, Phil Montana? What's going on? What's going on? I think we're gonna dump right down to these hourly lows down here. Dump it right down. Should I paper a short down to there? Toe fix it. How much you make this week? 69,000 so far, and it's only Monday. Yeah, let's go, Phil. I feel that, dude. What up, V Gabor? I'm just playing, bro. I'm just playing, Phil. I'm just playing. Just getting started here. Looking to make some money here in New York session. I'm just playing around. All right, dude. Let's see if we can catch a trade here for everybody. I'm not gonna, dude. I don't feel like promoting stuff anymore. I'm not gonna do it. If you want to use my code, I'll just appreciate it. Whoever uses my code on prop firms. But dude, I will say, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thanks for everything. Like hanging out with you every morning. Always a good time on here. You have a bunch. Himera said 69,420.69. That is actually how much we made. I made $69,420. 69 cents. Yeah, Tofik. I'm joking. I'm just joking here, man. Okay. Okay, brother. Okay, brother. Should I short this? Should I short it? Bro, I need my no gap candles on here. I need my no gap candles. Feels up 5,704. Let's go, dude. The open last night had some good movement, actually. Did we go to bed last night? Yeah, dude, I did. All right, dude. I'm gonna let me see. I did go to bed last night. Yo, we got 40 people in here, 11 likes. Let's go. What's your favorite strategy to trade? Somebody tell me in the comments. Himera said, why are you always wearing the red glasses? They really just look, they just really make me stand out, look different. Something to remember you by. It's a marketing tactic. But technically they're Technically, they're like blue light glasses, so they're supposed to protect you from the blue light on the screen. Let's go, Comet. Got the timing. Ani is short from 60.75. Let's see it. I kind of like the shorts, but it's just in a spot where it could pop higher, you know. I do like the shorts down to this 1 hour low, but it's in a spot where it could pop a little higher first and then come down. But, you know, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I might just take it. I might just take it here. Evan said me, chasing and revenge strategy. Let's go, dude. All right. Who wants to place a little paper trade here for funds? There is Devin. What up, Paul? Dang it, man. I missed my paper short. I do kind of like these shorts, though. I want to see if it's going to pop up first, though. Comment said, first trade I took today went minus 50% as soon as I filled it, then slowly went back to 0. Dang. Went to minus 50 or you were up 50%? Oh, Devin, it's good, man. I can't complain. Gold's down 2%. All right, dude. Let's see. Let's take a look at gold. Big old range here on gold. Dang it, there it goes. It's going down. I knew it, bro. Knew I should have papered a short. All right, there is a 30-second inversion right here, so I'm going to take a short on this 30-second inversion. Down to these lows right here, man. I'm telling you, I'm gonna get it, bro. I'm gonna get these lows right here. Delivering from a fair value gap into an inversion, following the trend, going after these hourly lows. Can we get it? I think it looks pretty decent here. We got this low right here would be a good spot to go to break even, but I'm not going to. I'm not gonna do it, brother. I'm holding it. Hold it for the biscuits here. Give me the biscuits. All right, dude. You know, if I was actually in this, I would have went to break even right there. Let me see. If it come back down here. All right, whatever. We'll see. We'll see. I'll just let it ride. I'll let it ride. See if it works out. You ruined your Rapid account last night by accident? What happened, bro? What happened? About to get a 1 minute inversion long, dude. Possibly. Should I flip it back? It just got a 1 minute inversion long. Dang it, dude. I should have reversed it. Crap. What's up, Chris? Look at this. The indicator called out the long there, dude. Yo, fake Yakuza, what's up? Look at that, dude. Look at that pump. You took the long? It was a nice long, dude. We're low. We swept some liquidity right here. Look how low we are. Nice long. Only problem is now we just took out those highs right there. So it could be the liquidity it needs to finally come down. Just took out these highs right here. Let's go, Devin. Nice, bro. Nice. Did you catch the win? Did you secure some profits? Yes, sir. We're going to be making that money. All right, dude. Let's see. Let's see what's going to happen here. Is it going to continue up? Nice, bro. You're done? Up on both accounts? Heck yeah, dude. Is this going to get long now? Make a higher low right here and continue up? Or is it going to go take out that low? That's the question. That's the real question. Devin's up on both. What are they? Take profit trader accounts, Devin? What accounts? Did you ever trade some coins like Soon or Pingu? Nah. Nice, Hemera. Retracement to OT 61.8. TBT eval and straight to funded top ones. Won't be trading till tomorrow morning. Let's go. Let's go. Lock it out, brother. Lock it out. Lock it out. Dude, we got the vibes in the room, dude. Look, I got the blue light. I got the orange light. We're just chilling in here, man. Chilling like a villain. Okay, dude, I need some life advice. I need some life advice from everybody. I need some life advice. Do you guys want to give me some life advice? It's some good advice. It's nothing sad or anything, but either way, it's gonna be good. So, but I need your expert analysis. Miss K said not from randoms on YouTube. It's nothing like that. It's not really life advice, you know. It's just kind of some advice here. What do you think would be cooler, I guess? So I already got some rental properties. Should I buy more rental properties or should I buy a cool car? Nate said your tush is an exit. That's not it, Nate. That's not it, bro. Indy says car for sure. Dude, I was thinking that too, man. Miss K said rentals. I'm thinking a car, dude. Everybody said cars will always be there, but like, dude, I'll never be able to be young and have a cool car again. I don't want to be driving a cool car when I'm old. You know what I'm saying? You got to think about it like that, though. Like, what's the point of driving a cool car when you're old? The point of driving a cool car when you're young is girls think it's cool. All kind of stuff, man. All kind of stuff. Phil said, what do you drive right now? Dude, I drive a little truck. I've been driving it forever. I did used to have a cool truck, but I sold it. I had an old 1976 restored Chevy. You'll be the Devin said he'll be the passenger princess. What the heck? Comment said I drive a bicycle. I might be driving one soon. My truck's wearing down, buddy. It's wearing down. Dude, but if you think about it, the car could help the brand too. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? The car could help the brand. Dude, I buy a sick car. I put on the side of it. I put those I get it wrapped in Trades by Slade, bro. I put a big old Trades by Slade logo on the side of it. Has some freaking day trading candles on it. Comment said, Brand, what else do you do that I don't know of? Dude, I make some sick jewelry. I do make some cool jewelry. Cody Mercer said, good morning, Slade. What's the bias? She gonna dump to 25K? Well, I'm thinking she's gonna go lower here because on the daily time frame, we came up, tapped into a daily fair value gap up here, right? You see, we tapped into this daily fair value gap and now we're rejecting. So if this thing flips, it could come on down back to 25K, just like you said there. So I'm kind of leaning to the downside, but it's not super clear at the moment. It could kind of go either way, but I'm leaning more to the downside from here where we are right now. Toki said, what car are you thinking about? I was thinking about a Corvette. I'm not gonna lie, a Corvette. A Corvette, like if I got like a sick baby blue Corvette and got it wrapped in the logo, cause my logo's blue, that'd be sweet. Or just like an all black, like Batman one, you know, either like one of those baby blue ones or like a all blacked out. Indy said, do you see SMT all over the place? I don't really use SMT. I mean, you can find SMT anywhere, which is why I don't like it. It's good for like a confluence. SMT is good for like a confluence. All right. If you don't mind, if you're in here having a good old time, just go down there and tap that like button for me. Helps out the old algorithm and stuff. It's too smart for me, but I know if you hit the like button, it helps out the stream. That's all I know. I don't know much. Indy said, what's your strategy? I trade inversions. This indicator right here calls them out too, by the way. And it gives a grade here. It says this one was a B+. Devin caught the win right there. Comet has 2 trading bots running. Let's go. You've got electrical tape over the dash of your 20-year-old Civic. Dude, that's it. That's it, dude. Okay. Listen, hear me out right here. Hear me out. I got 2 options. Hang on, I gotta find the other option. I forgot what it's called, man. Hang on, give me just a minute. Dude, this thing's so cool. This one's so cool. Let me find it. Dang, bro, where's it at? Okay, bro. Look, I could either get a cool Corvette. I could either get a cool Corvette or I could get this thing right here. Now tell me this thing isn't just off the chain, buddy. Dang, that's not a good video of it. Look at this truck, dude. He's got a cabin on the back of his truck, man. Look at this thing. Dude, it's a truck with a cabin on the back. That's what I'm thinking, Miss K. Imagine the scenery behind me when I'm trading. If I had that thing. Dude, that's off the chain right there. All right, if we get this 1 minute inversion right here, bro. Oh. I wonder if the indicator would call it out. Oh, it didn't get it. Didn't get it, it held. It's going higher. See a trade. So what kind of My Fund of Futures accounts you buy? Core or Pro? I like the core accounts. I like the core accounts. The Pro give you a little more, you know, leniency, but the core accounts are cheaper. So I like the core accounts. Winning with Quincy said, what indicator are you using for IFEGs? It's a Dodgy's indicator. I got a link for it if you want to check it out. It's $40 a month, but it's nice. It alerts it and all, so if you're working or not looking at the charts, it'll alert you. All right, dude, I'm gonna try this short out right here. See if the indicator didn't call it out, but hey, it's there. It's an inversion there, and I want us to come down here to this 1 hour low, so I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see, dude. Will it dump? Will it give it up? Will it give it up? It's not looking like it wants to, but if it'll give it up. Let's see. Let's see. Can it dump down? Can it dump down? Or is it gonna hold this trend line? Slow down here would be a break even. So gonna get down there to that break even. Hadn't hit the low yet, but when it hits that low, moved it on up to break even. All right, there's break even. Break even right there. Now, can it continue to dump it on down? Can it dump it on down? Whoa, there we go. There we go. I'm going to take one off right here. Oh, yeah, take one off right there. Boom. Boom. Dump it. I took one off right there. Come on. Dump it all the way down there to that 1 hour low. Dump it down. I'm going to take one more off right here. Boom. I'm left with one runner. One runner at break even. Boss man said, so I'm off here. Didn't get an answer for my question. Dang, bro. All right. We'll see you later. We'll see you later, boss man. Dump it down. Hit the like button for the win right here, boys. Hit the like button. Hit the like button for the Dubski. Let's go, Chris. Let's go. Dude, how many... Nilesh, you enter this? You enter this trade, Nilesh? How many subs do we have, man? We got to be getting close to 7,000. 7,000. We got 6658 subs. Let's go. 6658. We're getting there. We're getting close to 1,000. 1,000. We're getting close to 1,000. Can we get there? Let's go. Brandon said, if I join premium, I can expect to take setups while I learn the strategy. What a sell off? Yeah, bro. That's the point of it. Yeah. And I'm actually starting today. I'm gonna make I'm making a course. So like right now, there a lot of the education comes from the live streams. But I'm gonna try to make a detailed course so it's simple and you can just learn straight away. All right, dude. Glad I took 2 off there. I was in 3, and the rest got stopped at break even there. TP closed 2/3, and then the rest got stopped at break even. Yo, thanks for the sub. Yeah, Brandon. So and right now in the premium, you get unlimited one-on-one calls. So anytime you want to talk with me about strategy and stuff, or if you have some trades to go over anything, it's included right now. Most people, that's usually most people's high ticket item, but right now I'm just focusing on helping people become, profitable traders. So I want to include those one-on-one calls for free right now, as long as I can. Taufik said, you just get lucky with this one. Hey, I get lucky sometimes. I get lucky sometimes. And I think we'll put Taufik on a 1-minute timeout. How about that? I learned about timeouts and I'm going to start using them. Taufik's on a 1-minute timeout. We'll see you in a minute, buddy. Oh yeah, the premium's 50% off right now. Let's go. All right, dude, it's gonna come take out these hourly lows here. We'll just see when. We'll just see when. All right, dude. It may have a re-entry right here to the lows. Would this be a re-entry to the lows if it inverses? Trent C said, rather be lucky than wrong. Besides luck, ain't never loss. That's right, dude. Dude, that's the best thing I heard all day. Rather be lucky than wrong. Let's go, Hemera. Appreciate that. Yep, Hemera's premium. NQ4U said some people can't stand to see others win. I know, it's the funniest thing, and it happens all the time on YouTube. Like, that's the only time I get like people just like hating and stuff. It's on YouTube. I don't understand why. I mean, it don't really matter. I don't care, but I think it's just funny. Like, they're probably just mad that they've been losing, and you know, cut them some slack. They're probably losing. All right, if this here inverses, it'd be a confirmation re-entry short down there to the lows. Let's go, Brandon. Hey, I didn't mean it like that. You know the saying, "Let's go, Brandon." I didn't mean it like that. But I meant like I meant let's go. Yo, what up, Ivan? I'm good, man. All right, re-entry short here, down to the low. Let's see if it's gonna go down there. Let's see if the re-entry is gonna work it on out here, or if it's just ranging right now. Oh, yeah. Yeah, V-Gay-Boar. There was two winners. It's Toki and Dump It. I drew it earlier. I'm gonna get giving 2 accounts away. The winners were Toki and Dump It. So if you're in here, congratulations. I know Toki was in here, but they were the winners. Yo, what up, Deep Dylan? What's going on? What up, Mail? How's it going? This isn't Bitcoin. This is NASDAQ Futures, NQ Futures. Let's see. It's gonna dump down to that hourly low down there. Can we get it down there? If you're in here, if you're enjoying the stream, having a good time hanging out, hit that like button for me. Helps the YouTube's algorithm and stuff. Join the free Discord. I'm revamping it today, so that's what I'm going to be working on today. Revamping the Discord and starting up the course for the premium members. That's my 2 projects today. Course for the premium, revamping Discord. There you go, Devin. That's it. Yo, thanks for the sub, B9. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to be at 7,000. We're going to be at 7,000 before we know it. CM said, are those Sediac blue light glasses? I don't know what Sediac is, but yeah, they're blue light glasses. I got them on Amazon. Amazon.com. Anybody else play video games? I got Call of Duty, and I've been playing it. Sam Rat, I'm gonna get into that in a minute. I like to let it get a little bit closer to New York session, because right now my bias was kind of targeting these hourly lows. Well, if that already hits before New York session, then the bias might change, right? So we'll see here. Right now, I think the bias is these hourly lows down here. I think that's what it's targeting, right? I did not mean to draw that, guy. These hourly lows down here. Let's see if it'll hit it, though. It just keeps sweeping lows and then bouncing back up. Like, see, it just swept these lows and now it's bouncing back up. So it's just kind of chopping around right now. I think it does want to take out these hourly lows down here, though. It just may kind of chop around, might pop up and then come down. But nearing the end of the stream here, I'll make a bias to send out to the premium and stuff. Shike, your code gives 0% discount. That's because there's not a discount on them right now. But if you do, MyFunded Futures doesn't really do discounts. The most discount they'll ever do is like 5%. But bro, they're cheap. The core is like $77 and there's no activation fee. So they don't really run discounts anyway. But if you oh yeah, this was supposed to be a break even. I was supposed to go to break even right there. Oh well. I was supposed to go to break even. But it's cheap. They don't really run giveaways on MyFunded Futures, but if you use my code, it helps out because they'll eventually like give me giveaways, and if nobody uses my code, then they'll take it away. They'll take the code away. So then when they do run a discount, I won't be able to offer a discount or have giveaways to give away and stuff. So yeah, just if you pick up a MyFunded Futures account, they're cheap. It's $77, no activation fee, and if you use code Slade, you'll be helping the channel with giveaways and stuff. Himera said, made back my stupid mistake loss this morning. Let's go. Can't complain about that. Can't complain about that. But I don't know if everybody notices this, but since you have figured out about these liquidity sweeps, has it not helped you out a ton? Like anytime price takes out a low, or most of the time, you get a bounce, right? So I don't know, that literally, when I found that out, it helped out my trading a ton. And then like, so this is the lower time frame, you get a small bounce. Well, think about it on the higher time frame. When it takes out a higher time frame low, this small bounce is a big bounce on the lower time frame, right? So does that make sense? Because the idea behind it is whoever's entering long, right? Whoever got in anywhere in here and entered long, put their stop loss below this low. So when it comes down and hits their stop loss, it's going to bounce back up a little bit. All right, dump it down. Dump it down. Nate said using code Slade gives plus 20% luck and good setups. Hey, that is true. That is true. And you know, I know there's other YouTubers that like to say that their code's the best on the prop firm streets, but that's not true. They know my code's the best code on the prop firm streets. They're just lying to themselves. Yo, AR, thanks for the sub. You know, they say code Slade actually gives you a plus 10 boost on passing your accounts. That's just what I hear. I don't really know, but that's just what I hear. Can't confirm or deny that, but that's just what I hear. All right. Dump it down. Yo, Khalid, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Tofik said, you are so lucky today. You are too, buddy. You get another minute in timeout. Oh, another minute, buddy. Sorry. We're so lucky today, guys. Woo! So lucky. Woo! I love being lucky. I love being lucky. All right, dude, I'm going to move it to break even right here. If this thing bounces up now, it's just playing around. Okay? You need to stop all this playing around. And you just need to get your butt down there in queue. Stop playing around. See, we got an order block right here. It just came up, tapped into that order block, and now it should reject right on down there to that target. Phil said, but you could help passing with your premium group. That is correct. That is correct. So lucky, Devin. I'm so lucky. I better close it here before my luck runs out. Why is Tofik even saying I'm lucky? This trade hasn't even won yet. It's just a break-even trade so far. It's not even won yet. It could come back up and be break-even. Then that would be unlucky. And the way price is moving right here, I wouldn't doubt it going up there and hitting that break-even. Look at that nice continuation inversion setup, though. You think you should get back to Solana? Dude, I'm getting XRP, bro. I'm buying XRP off the rip. Let's go. Dump it down there. Get your butt down there in queue. Stop this. Come on. Dude, look how close, man. How are you not going to just get down there and tap it? Just go to your home. Tap it in. Come on. Tap it in. Come on. Evan, what's going on, dude? Accepted 5 losses. What's going on, Evan? Camshaft said, me too. How much XRP are you buying? I bought some already, and I have 2 big orders. I have 2 big orders pending. Let me check out where my orders are. I think it's I got 2 big orders. Let me see. I don't know if it's gonna get down there. I got a big order at $1.50. $1.50 and $1. Huge orders, but I don't know if it's gonna get down that low. Dude, come on, dude. Look at the NASDAQ freaking playing around. Gets right down there by that hourly low and then pops back up. What a dirty dog, dude. Oh my gosh. What the heck, man? Break even. Break even, bro. See, Tofik, how unlucky was that? Watch it go right down now. Watch it go right down to that hourly low. Yeah, comment. Yeah, comment. I got 2 big orders at $1.50 and $1 on XRP. The candles time frame. This is the 1 minute time frame. Look at it. There it goes. The market makers are watching, bro. Evan, I can help you out with that, dude. If your win rate is 0.18%, Dude, this is it. Close your eyes and place a risk reward of 1. Immediately you'll get a 0.5% win rate, a 50% win rate immediately. You know, just by doing that. Just by putting a 1 risk reward on the screen, you'll have a 50% win rate. It doesn't matter where you enter. Slade, we call it the CB model when it comes so close and flies the other direction. That's what it was, dude. It's just CB modeled the crap out of me right here. CB modeled me. Tofik so happy. Me too. Dude, Tofik used to be, you know, a nice person coming in here saying, "What's up, Slade?" And then something changed. I don't know what happened. Maybe I wasn't responding enough, so they thought, hey, you know what? If I start being a douche, then maybe Slade will start responding to me. Evan said, no joke. Every time I place an order, market immediately rockets off in the opposite direction. TJP said, do you have a code with Lucid? Yeah, it's Slade. SFS said, where are you from? Alabama. Art said, do you have on this account bid ask, or are you buying and selling at market price? I like to usually limit order in, but sometimes I market order. I usually like to limit order though. This is the NASDAQ. Kenna Gavel said instrument. This is the NASDAQ. SFS said, so are you using the IFEG model? Yep, that's what I use. The IFEG. I like to use fair value gaps and liquidity. It's all I need to make money. Just some fair value gaps and liquidity. I need lines and boxes on my screen, bro. That's all I need to make some money in the markets. Dude. All right, we got 39 likes on the stream. Let's go. Hit that like button for me. Hit that like button. There it is. Finally took out that hourly low right there. Finally. If we go look at the hourly time frame here, you can tell basically the bottom of this wick right here is that hourly low. So you see this wick and there's that low right there. The bottom of that wick and hourly low, and it just took it out right there. And then, you know, kind of the next target would be Asian low all the way down here, because unless there's a fair value gap on a lower time frame, which I don't think there is. There is one small one it's tapping into right now on the 5 minute. So it's either going to bounce here or go down to the Asian lows. So, yeah, let's see, man. See what's going to happen. Yo, thanks for the sub, WFPV. I did pick up some Top Step accounts. I'm halfway past. I have Lucid accounts, and I just picked up some Top Step accounts, and I got them halfway past. So tomorrow I'm gonna try to pass them. Richard Porter said, "What's the win rate for the strategy? If you take high quality setups, you can get 80 to 85% win rate. If you just kind of like, what's the word? If you pattern trade like this, it's like 60%. But if you take only high quality setups, you can get 80 to 85%. Yeah, Devin, I got Top Step, dude. I was kind of like fiending to trade some more. So I picked up some Top Step accounts because all the other firms I want to wait on a discount, but Top Step never runs a discount. So I picked up some Top Step accounts. And then when the other ones run a discount, then I'll load up on those. How many subs do we have, man? I'm trying to load up on the subs. You know, I need a sub sandwich. 6,700 subs. Oh my gosh. Almost close to 7,000. We're getting close to 7,000 subs. All right, dude. Close to 7,000 subs. Devin said, fair enough. How much is there? 100K? I don't know. I can't even remember. I bought the 50K. It's 49 bucks. It's 49 bucks for the 50K. The 150K is 149. So I'm guessing the 100K is probably like 99 bucks. I think it is actually 99. But they're expensive, dude, because they also have activation fees. But they're really easy once you get to the fundeds. They're easy to get to a payout. Is this a good long setup? We did just sweep the hourly lows. Is this a good long? Yo, thanks for the sub. YouTube Fly. Vasilo said, having issues with Project X. I haven't had any issues this morning. Project X. Yo, thanks for the sub, Johnny. Hit the like button for me. Hit the sub button if you're hanging out, hanging around, having a good time. Come on. Dude, is this going to be a long right here or what? Took out that hourly low. Is it going to bounce higher? Literally barely swept it. But it's going up. We got some LRLR right here too, huh? Could it fly? Could it fly? Oh, the indicator called it out. Gotta buy it. The indicator called it out. And got in with the indicator. See if the indicator is gonna be wrong. Is the indicator going to be wrong here? Bro, how's the stream today? Is it smooth today? Man, I got those guys over here. I said, hey, I need you to fix the stream. It's messed up. I said, I need you guys to fix the stream. You got it all messed up. So I think they came over here and fixed it. Yo, Taco Trader, thanks for the sub. Evan said, I'm down to my last 300. Oh, dude, don't worry about it. One micro in a dream, brother. You got it. One micro in a dream. No, they don't have fiber in my area. I got a monopoly running where I live. It's a monopoly, bro. Is there a link for the indicator? Yeah, let me drop it for you. There's the link right there. It's 40 bucks a month. Stream is very good today. Nice. I dropped down the bit rate also, so it should be better. I dropped down the bit rate and the internet's way better. So all right, I think this one's gonna be a loss. I think the indicator's gonna lose here. I'm literally betting against it. I'm betting against the indicator here. Let's see though. The indicator, it might win, dude. It might say, "Hey, don't bet against me, buddy." That's what the indicator might say. "Hey, buddy." It's just what it just said. I said I think it might lose, and it bounced right back up. It might say, "Hey, buddy, you don't bet against me, big dog." Oh crap, dude! I'm getting a thing on here. Frames dropped as soon as I mentioned something about the internet. It starts messing up. Golly. Oh my goodness. Is it lagging now? I'm getting all kind of alerts on my streaming software. The 1 minute BPR's gotta hold. It's gotta hold. Come on, pump it. Pump it. Let's see. You guys think the indicator's gonna lose or win? Oh gosh, dude. Dude, I'm gonna have to call them back out here again today, bro. I can't. There ain't no way I have the max internet package and the crap don't even work. And I have the stream on a low stream, dude. It's like it's not even high settings or anything. I'm running a low bit rate on it. Should not be lagging. Phil Montana said, as a percentage, how right is the indicator? I'd say with the settings I'm running, it's probably about 65, 70% right. Still enough to be profitable. It's good. 65, 70 with these here. It's I got some good ones. But I mean, the indicator's really just to alert you if you can't be on the chart, and it'll call some out. Right, and it gives you a grading scale, so that's good. Man, I knew this one was gonna lose. I knew this one was gonna lose, though. I literally said it. No way we sweep the hourly lows by only this much. I freaking knew it, dude. Here it goes, man. Let's see. Comment said maybe because you got 2 more streams simultaneously. Yeah, but I've been having those for months, and nothing's been wrong until last week. And I just upgraded my package, and it's still not doing right. And I lowered the bit rate, so the stream should be fine, dude. It's been running fine for months, and then out of nowhere, it just starts messing up. Winning with Quincy said stopped. Not yet, dude. I got the stop down here at the low. Let's see. The indicator puts the stops at the lows, so I'm going to put it where the indicator puts it. Let's see if it fails. I think it will, but we'll see. Let's see, dude. It's about to. There ain't no way it's that close or not. Let's see. Let's see. It's going, just do it already. Oh, it got super close. It's about to burst through there, dude. No way. If this gets saved now, dude, that's pretty much equal lows right there. It's gonna go take them out. Henry says, I'm in Vietnam and there's less than a 30-second delay. Let's go. Look at that, dude. Stopped. Dadgum indicator. Indicator, you suck. All right, dude. Let's get into this analysis real quick. Already running behind. Let's get into the New York analysis, and then I'm going to get ready to take a trade for New York session on my fundeds. Let's see. Let's see. So we know we have this daily fair value gap up here that we just rejected from. We've got the previous day low down here. We swept the previous day high, tapped into that fair value gap, and then we have the previous day low down here. All right. So previous day low right there. Previous day low. All right, that's on the daily. Hop over here to the 4-hour. We've got a 4-hour fair value gap right here. It already came down, tapped into, and bounced up. So be watching out for that 4-hour fair value gap if it gets down there. Hop over here to the 1 hour. I think I'm going to do the kind of analysis here on the 1 hour. So we've got a 1 hour gap right here. One hour fair value gap. One hour fair value gap right there. Dude, I think we're going after these Asian lows, honestly. At the moment, that's what it looks like. Down here. Now, we do have a 1 hour fair value gap up there. I think we're headed down to the Asian lows. We just took out this hourly low, and it still seems like it wants to drop. We tapped into a daily fair value gap and we're rejecting. I would say, I think we're gonna come down here to these Asian lows. 1 hour fair value gap down here. Dude. All right. Yeah. So, yeah. So, I mean, this is pretty much it. I think we are targeting this low, possibly lower. Possibly lower, previous day low. Or this 1 hour fair value gap. So, right here. That's it. That's simple. Simple and clean analysis. And it's going right down there, dude. See how fat, like, it's going right down there. I mean, it's going to get there before the New York session, probably. Probably. It's dumping right on down there. Dumping right on. What up, Laser? What's going on, dude? Look at that dump off. All right. Oh, you said the live looks. I said we're not doing a duck race today because we only got 48 likes on the stream, and I'm not gonna beg for likes anymore. But yeah, so no duck race today. We got to get some more likes, possibly tomorrow. But the stream looks a lot more cleaner. Yeah, dude, I upgraded the internet and I still not getting as much as it says it should. And I updated some of the settings in the OBS. But yeah, about to hop off here. Join the free Discord, and you can see I'm gonna take some trades on the fundeds in the New York session. Let's see how we do. All right, see you guys in the morning. Peace.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Oh God, oh God, oh God. and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reach its sky. Every trade with